Hello everyone, welcome back to the Primary Maths YouTube channel. Today we will be covering Unit 1 of the Cambridge Primary Maths textbook. This unit looks at numbers to 1,000. The learning objectives of this unit is to be able to understand place value, to be able to decompose a large number into smaller subgroups, to be able to correctly identify odd and even numbers, to be able to solve place value problems, and to be able to identify patterns within 1,000. I have divided these outcomes into 3 subtopics. These are place value, odd and even numbers, and patterns in numbers. We will begin the lesson by looking at place value. This is how numbers have their own respective places within a number. It's important to know the 4 different places within 1,000. These are 1,000, 100, tens, and unit or ones. As you can see in this example, the 1 is in the thousands place, the 2 is in the hundreds place, the 3 is in the tens place, and the 4 is in the units place. Let's work on a few examples together. We've got the number 185, 578, 721 and 1492. The first number that we are looking at is 185. This will be decomposed by writing out our place value positions. So we've got thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. So we are going to start out by writing out the number name. 100 and 85. From that you can see that the number is still in its hundreds. Therefore, we'll start by writing out the number from the hundreds place. From here, 1, 8, 5. You will now be able to see that ones is in the hundreds place. So you can write it out like so. 8 is in the tens place, and 5 is in the units or the ones place. Let's move on to the next question. 578. Again, we'll start out by writing a place value positions, then the number names, and we'll position the numbers according to the number name and find out what position each number is in. Let's do this together. So I'll write out the place value positions. So we've got our thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. Then we'll write out the number 578 in its number name form. We can see that the number is still in its hundreds, so we'll start by writing out the number in the hundreds position with 5 here. So with this you can tell that 5 is in your hundreds, 7 is in your tens position, and 8 is in your units. We will do the third question in the same way. You write out the number name, $721, and then because we know the number is still in its hundreds, we'll begin by writing it out in the hundreds position. This means that we've gotten 7 in the hundreds position, 2 in the tens position, and 1 in the units position. Last question is the number 1492. Once again, we'll start out by writing the place value positions: thousand, hundreds, tens, and units. We will then go on and write our number names. $1,492. From that, we can see that the number starts at the thousands position. So we'll start by writing it out in the thousands position. 1492. From that, you can see that 1 is in the thousands place, four is in the hundreds place, nine is in the tens place, and 2 is in the units or the ones place. We will now check our answers so that they match the ones shown on the screen. Here are a few questions that you can attempt on your own. Write the place value as well as the number name. Feel free to pause the video at this time to solve these questions. The answers are on the following slide. You can now check your answers against the ones given on the screen. By the end of this part of the video, you should be able to understand place value as well as be able to decompose large numbers into smaller subgroups. We will continue on to the next topic, odd and even numbers, in the next video. Please don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in part 2 of the video.